All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. This is how we had a break-even day today. So we didn't make any money, didn't lose any money. Pretty shitty price action. Again, full recap is out on YouTube right now. So if you guys want to go check that out, YouTube name the same as my TikTok name. So go check that out. I go in depth on that. I also have some live trading coming this week. And if you guys are interested in joining the Discord, I'll post that in the description as well, where I post all my analysis and all that stuff. So I'm going to run through this pretty quick. There's really nothing too much to get into. So on the 15-minute, price was respecting out of this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. And at this point, ES was also respecting bearish order flow as well. And it hadn't yet swept out that swing hourly low, which was this low right here. This 7 a.m. low, I think it was, or 8 a.m., whatever. This one right here. So ES was approaching that low. So I figured that if it pulled down, NQ was going to get pulled down with it. So NQ was respecting out of this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. And at this point, I'm just looking for the highest time frame inversion in order to take a short, and we end up finding one on the 1 minute. So as you can see on the 1 minute, we end up getting this 1 minute bullish gap gets inversed right there. So we take the short right there, stops above the wick high, and I want to see price come down and flood down in those lower fair value gaps on the hourly. We were overextended kind of to the downside off that strong push, but I did think that the momentum would potentially continue and we could come down into this lower gap or something like that. But anyway, we ended up moving our stop loss to break even as soon as ES swept that hourly low. And at this point, it was also 11 o'clock, and I don't like holding trades past 11 o'clock. So move my stop loss to break even. And I figured maybe we could see a chop to the downside to that lower gap. But we ended up just getting stopped out break even. So one and done for the day, break even. We have Powell speaking at 12:30. Or 12:35, so probably the volume's waiting for that, but that's gonna wrap it up for me. Hopefully tomorrow's a better one with price action, and I'll catch you guys then. Peace.